Hi Charmers, I'm Kelly and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to achieve this look on Jackie from our August photo shoot. First we're going to prep the skin with the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Some of the benefits that this has is that you can use it morning and night. It also helps tighten and lift. So we're just going to apply it, make sure that it's firmly absorbed into the skin. You can apply it to your under eyes because that's where we tend to need the most tightening. Next, we're gonna prep her face and give her a nice contour and foundation, a nice brow, and we'll be right back to show you how to get that eye look. All right, now we're back. We prepped Jackie's face and we just did a nice contour and foundation. We also sculpted her brows. So to get this look, you can use two of your favorite neutral colors. I prefer to use a previous month's box Tarte palette, and I like this neutral color for the highlight and this darker color for the cut crease. First, we're going to start with the highlight color. We're just going to kind of come up on the crease and blend it out. We're just gonna cover all over the lid just a little bit, just to give ourselves an even palette to work with. Next, we're gonna take the darker color and we're gonna give ourselves a nice cut crease. I kind of like to give myself little pointers of where I want my crease to start and where I want it to end, and then just trace that line, and then you can go in blending. And you're gonna bring it kind of in towards the lash line just to give it a little bit more definition. Now remember, you can fix any mistakes that you make by using just a little bit of your favorite primer and a Q-tip, just cleaning it up right there. All right, next we're going to use the Ace Beaute colors in Huckleberry and French Vanilla. And this is a creamy consistency, and I feel like these are really easy to blend and they mix really well together. First, we're going to take the color Huckleberry.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It is, isn't it? And it's kind of fluffy and it's really bouncy.
Can I touch that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's really pretty.
Yeah, it's super pigmented and it goes on really, really nice.
Can't wait. Where are you going to apply?
So we're gonna apply on the corners, inner corners of the eyes, and we're gonna bring it down under the eye, kind of dragging that cut crease and blending it in together. It's really easy to blend, and it's also really easy just to pack on, and it stays put.
Okay, so what's next?
All right, next we're gonna take this color in French Vanilla and we're going to apply it to the inner corners of her eye just to give her eye a little pop. Jackie, tell me how you came up with the inspiration for this shot.
So I just wanted to try that look, Legally Blonde or Clueless, that pinky, poppy, and really fun glam look on myself. Fake eyelashes on me, I never do it. I think this is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, I think the eyelashes will be a good thing because it'll open up your eyes a little bit more.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to give Jackie a little bit of blusher and some highlight. When applying your blush, you use a circular motion and blend up towards the eye so it looks like a fluid motion and it blends thoroughly. Next, we're going to use the Becca Hydra and Refresh powder, and we're just going to use it in the highlight zones. That's where we tend to get the most oily. Jackie, this is a really neat product, so tell me how it feels when it goes on.
What is going on? Oh my God, this feels so good. It's like hydrating and cooling.
So you can keep applying this all day long, and it's going to help keep your makeup fresh all summer long. It looks nice and smooth, and it kind of helps blur imperfections and like fine lines.
That's so cool.
Right? And when it takes pictures, it looks really smooth and it doesn't have any photo flashback. So next, we're going to give you a little highlight. We're going to highlight above your cheekbones and then on your brow. And we're going to use kind of the same motion that we apply blush. Look at that. Down your nose a little bit, on your Cupid's bow of your lip. Jackie, do you usually go for glam looks like this?
Never. Actually, I'm really excited about this look. I can't actually wait to see it.
You're gonna have to make somebody special take you out.
Well, I'm gonna call my husband.
So we'll apply eyeliner and we'll come back and show you how to apply the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. We're back. After doing eyeliner and adding some falsies, we are going to add some Big Ego by Tarte. This is a pretty amazing mascara. It lasts up to 16 hours, no flake, and check out that wand. gonna get the inner corners of your eye and the outer corners of your eye.
Nice.
Let's blend in your falsies just
Okay.
a touch. Look up just a little bit. Look down. There we go. With the contour of this brush, it was really easy to maneuver around Jackie's eye without poking her. All right, let's do lips. We are going to use the Steve Laurant lip liner in Chic to fill Jackie's lips and outline, and we're gonna use this all over the lip.
Bold eyes, nude lips.
Jackie already has full lips, so you don't want to overline her lips. So we're going to stay with her natural lip line. Next, we're gonna go in with just your favorite clear gloss. We're gonna go over just the insides of your lips to give you more of a pouty lip. Okay, we're gonna finish up the look by adding a final contour and blusher. All right, we're back, and we have finished the look. What do you think, Jackie?
I gotta see it.
Okay,
Give
all
me
right.
mirror. Are you kidding me?
What do you think? How do you feel?
I love it.
Okay, we'll get on the phone. Let's call your husband.
Okay.
We gotta go out.
Okay. Well, before that,
Okay.
let's do selfie.
All right, selfie.
Thank you, Kelly.
You're welcome.
I love this look.
I hope this look was super easy for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Charmers.
Bye.